Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Maureen. I am so happy to have you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe before you leave. And let's get right into today's video. Today's video is from a company called Jersey Shore Cosmetics. And for me, they are a local company. I am one state away, so I consider that a local company. And it says Jersey Shore Cosmetics is a family-owned and operated company founded with a mission to provide the highest quality personal care and beauty products that are safe and free of toxins. It appears that I wrote down a few things. Where did I write that down? That they are 100% natural, organic, vegan, and vegetarian when they can be. For the vegan portion, some products might contain beeswax, but they're basically non-toxic, cruelty-free, paraben-free, phthalate-free, eco-friendly, sulfate-free, no animal testing, and they have used recycled packaging. And real quick on their subscriptions, this is a monthly subscription, and you get lip balms. So for one lip balm each month, it costs $2.33. For 2 lip balms per month, $4.58. And a mix of lip balms and lip conditioners, $8.33. Which, you buy a chapstick or a chapstick brand, and, you're paying that money for just one. And I was on their website, and for their reviews, they have 4.6 stars out of 5-star reviews, with 83% of them being 5-star reviews. And this renews automatically every month. You can cancel anytime, and it ships worldwide. So that is the Jersey Shore Cosmetics. And I'll show you what is in the bag. So it comes in a small little bag, because it's obviously you're not getting tons and tons of products, so they don't have to use big packaging, which is good. And they enclose a card, basically, that you can use this as a bookmarker. And there's a code on here, NO30 for 30% off their site, and it gives their site information. I'm hoping that focuses. Okay, and just, cute little markings on the back. So there's their card. And the first lip balm that I got, and these are the same size as anything that you would see in any of the stores. And this is Moisture Rich Hydrating Balm, and this is Juicy Strawberry. And they are sealed at the top. I just broke the seal prior to filming so that I could show you. And this is a clear balm. And it does smell like strawberry, so that they are telling the truth on. Sometimes you just don't really smell it, so that's that one. And then this one, I don't know if we're going to get it focused, which I'm hoping we do. This is going to be a problem. This is Sweet Tea Mineral Lip Tint. This is Moisture Rich Natural Paraben Free. So this one is a tint. And I'll show you that. So it's a tint. I don't necessarily know if I smell sweet tea, but I definitely smell sweet. And let's see. And it's definitely creamy. It was, when I was first applying it, it was, I guess, from the original packaging, but it's definitely a lip tint, as you can see there. So there's the color. It almost smells like mint chocolate chip to me, but obviously it's sweet tea. So these are the two. I opted for the 2 lip balms to give them a try. I might try and get maybe the package that has the lip conditioners in it, but the product is very nice. And if you didn't really want tons of tint, I did, rub it out And if you just want something light on your lips, more natural. I swear it smells like mint chocolate chip, but I guess that is the sweet tea. So this quick video is a monthly subscription from Jersey Shore Cosmetics, where you receive lip balms or lip conditioners, and they do have lots of varieties on their website. So you can go to Jersey Shore Cosmetics. I think that's their site, jerseyshorecosmetics.com, and give them a look. And don't forget to use the code NO30 for 30% off their site. And that's my video for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.